This is the HP Envy Photo 7975 printer series. Now this has got print, scan, copy, and it supports photo printing with a dedicated photo tray. It has got one USB port and supports Wi-Fi 802.11a, B, G, N, and AC with dual band Wi-Fi of 2.4 and 5 GHz. The mobile printing capability of this printer, it supports HP app, Apple AirPrint, Chrome OS, Mopria print service. It is Mopria certified and HP print service plugin. It has a 2.7-inch color touch screen. Let's take a look at the paper handling. It has an input tray, capacity of 125 sheets, with a dedicated photo tray over here of 15 sheets. Now the photo tray supports 5x5, 4x6 as well as 5x7 photo media. Now the output tray capacity is 60 sheets. Now this comes with an automatic document feeder with a capacity of 35 sheets. Do note that the automatic document feeder supports one-sided copy and scan only. Besides that, it also has got a flatbed scanner. Let's take a look at the print cartridges. It supports one tricolor and one black print cartridge. So do take note, the cartridge number may vary according to regions and country. Let us take a look at the print speed. So we have just shown you the duplex printing capability for this printer. So check out the HP Envy Photo 7975 printer.